सर डेटा तो परसों कल आया था, डेटा तो आज
हाँ
अभी नहीं आया
सर,
मुझे।
सर
Please.
अभी अभी पुल हुआ, देखिए अभी
Yes,
अभी हुआ।
yes.
Okay.
Now we have received the entry at RN. Okay. Sanatan sir, please proceed with the menu. So we can see the for advanced particular date of 7 June, we'll see one entry. The advance entry that has been created at FMS end. And see, against this advance entry, one noted down item has been created in the ERP. 17 zeros and followed by 126. AOs from Haryana can see, please. If there is
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt, they can ask. So this will be performed automatically. Whatever advances entries will be coming from FMS and they'll be getting posted automatically in the system. Okay.
Great, sir.
And against these noted down items, there will be no workflow. We have received the approval also. So there will be no workflow against these noted down items. And one assignment code, unique assignment code will be assigned to these items. And they'll be paid by the CNP section, test section, CSC section, in 1 or 2 days. This is the document Sanatan sir is showing at the screen, and the payment will be done now. Sanatan sir, you can proceed with the payment, please.
You can see the report. This report you can see what is the status, what has been posted or not.
One display report menu option is also there. So with that display report daily on the daily basis, you can see whatever advances are paid in the ERP, it can be seen also for your particular business area.
Sanatan, echo is coming. You can mute your mic.
Okay, sir.
Sir, display report option is also there. Whatever advances are being posted in ERP, that can also be seen through this report. Menu is there in that. You need to put the business area code of your respective business area. Advance 17 followed by 126 is posted in the ERP against the advance invoice number. Okay, sir? And the commission in month and all these things are there and an amount that has been posted. Now it is just a noted down item. It will be paid automatically by the CSC section from the corporate. The payment part will be performed by the CSC section. We need not to worry. Okay, sir. Once they are paid, they will be shown in the report also.
Actually, we are making the payment here to show you that how the document has been posted and how it is reflecting in documents. Again, we'll go for the second advance posting, and we'll make the payment, and then we'll go for monthly invoice posting also. Okay, so whole process required. That's why we are making the payment of this first advance. That for this activity is to be done by corporate CSC. Okay, but in the testing server, we are doing it to show the whole process to you.
Is not to be followed by any of the AOs. Okay. This process is being performed by the corporate CSC section for making the payments. And this will be performed by them only. This is just being shown to you how the process will move on. Now you can see the amount has come for 200 rupees. In the screen, you can see the amount for that price. This is it. It is highlighted now. The advance to be paid is 200 rupees. Okay. Sanathan, sir, can you show the screen? Yeah. Now only 186 rupees are being paid. Uh, total of 7% deduction will be there. Sanathan sir will explain you how this 14 rupees is deducted.
Actually, what is happening here? See, 200 rupees request is there, but in ERP, at the time of payment, we will deduct this GST TDS for CGST, this is SGST, and this is for income tax TDS. This is because as per the income tax rule, we have to deduct the tax at the time of payment or invoice, whichever is earlier. That means now we are making the payment of 200 rupees as an advance. We will deduct just a TDS GST 1%. This is 200 rupees 1%. That is coming to 2 rupees. And this is SGST TDS. This is 1% 2 rupees. And this is income tax TDS 5%. 5% of 200, that is 10 rupees deducted. That means total this is coming 14 rupees will be deducted, and now the advance will make the payment to vendor, to the partner, rupees 186. This 186 will be paid by corporate CST. Any doubt, Haryana Circle user?
What about GST, sir?
Which GST?
GST भी withheld करना पड़ेगा ना?
Which GST, sir? Sir, there will be no GST here. Actually, at the time of invoice, we will deduct that ITC GST. But here only TDS GST we are deducting. Is it
Melmalgi
okay?
sir? Melmalgi sir? Actually, in the process, it was told that even in the advance payment cases also, GST retention will be there.
Sir, we are returning the TDS GST we are returning.
No, no,
9%, sir, 18%.
yeah, yes.
So that will come, sir, at the time of invoice only, not at the time of
No,
payment.
no, payment time also it has to be retained. That was the process that is defined earlier. Melmalgi sir? PGM sir?
Hello, Rajendra Prasad, sir. Sir, as per the income tax and GST Act, this is the payment, the TDS is related at the time of
One second,
payment. Only
one
the
second.
TDS is
Second, Rahul
related.
ji, हमारा PGM sir. Rahul ji, हमारा PGM साहब.
Rahul ji, you please refer to the committee report. You are supposed to deduct like 5% in IT TDS and 2% GST TDS.
Yes, that are we are deducting.
What more and 0.5% towards the banking charges. That you can do it in the bill also. Yeah, correct only GST का नहीं होता Rajendra Prasad.
हाँ, okay sir.
GST का only I'm giving invoice.
Okay sir.
Sir,
इसमें included नहीं है ना?
Okay sir.
Yeah, right.
sir, James sir. Hello.
Yeah, please continue because he asked me doubt. Yeah,
Sir,
hello.
regarding PG charges, we have initiated the file. We need to get the clarity from the taxation how we'll be booking that part, na? We need to have a clarity, sir. No, sir, that PG charges will come as a revenue for BSNL.
Yeah, true. You are right.
So that we have taken up with the taxation and CA team.
Yeah, month end तक आप close करो. Next invoice जब final invoice you process, that time you should be able
Yes,
to
sir.
book.
Actually, in that case, na, sir, we have to raise, if this is will be booked as a in revenue for BSNL, then we have to raise a customer invoice and we have to pay
Yeah,
GST
I
on that.
understand. I know.
So many
Yeah,
things. So
understood.
that's why na, clarity is required. Otherwise, we can do one thing from the revenue portion. We can at the time of generating the invoice, that 5% less we can be that can be generated.
It will not be in line
From
with
the invoice
agreement.
itself, we will deduct.
No, but the problem is if I show less revenue, they might
sir.
tomorrow say that it is not as per agreement.
So that's why, sir, it is a
All this
policy
needs to be
decision.
clarified.
We need to
Yeah,
have a
okay, let it
clarity
come.
for
How
that.
it comes, based on that we'll decide.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Sir, later on we'll implement it.
Basically, that 0.5% PG charge will come as a revenue for BSNL. We need to book it
Yeah, I
separately.
understood that. Wherever you do, it will come as a revenue because if you are deducting somewhere.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Yes.
that
Yeah,
will come
right.
as separate, sir. That will do it
We'll
later on,
implement,
sir.
sir.
Sir, we'll
Yeah,
implement
right.
later
Okay.
on.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So we'll proceed with the payment part. The payment is done. Now payment initiated.
Now, 184 only, 186 will be.
186 payment will be made. We can see the payment is done, and this payment will get updated to the FMS portal also back update to FMS portal also. Right now, sir will do it manually, but this will be performed automatically only. Third menu. So in the report, in the display report, you can see the advance is paid. BA code, sir, please. We can see the advance is paid now. The document number is starting with 20. So 200 amount against 200, 186 is paid, and the amount this document number and the date will be floated back to FMS also. This is at our end.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
We need to update advance public invoice
Sir,
payment.
nahi. Sir,
No.
I have told you na, this will be performed by ERP automatically only. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, for demonstration purpose, we are showing all the three parts that we have shown will be done automatically only. Okay. The advance entry will float from FMS to ERP. Noted down item will be generated in the ERP, and against that noted down item, corporate CSC will make the payment as per the assignment code.
And
And
it will
this,
automatically update.
yes, and
Right.
that will be updated automatically, and you can see it back at the FMS end also. Reports
Right.
will be there in the ERP also, and reports will be
FMS.
there at the FMS end also. Okay.
Okay.
So now the monthly invoice, we'll see the second entry, advance entry will come from the FMS end. Raksha ma'am, can you please post the second entry, advance entry, please?
100. सर आप कॉल कर सकते हैं.
So एडवांस में कितना परसेंटेज डिडक्ट कर रहे हैं सर TDS वाला वो परसेंटेज
Advance के अंदर GST TDS and income tax TDS. These two TDS are being deducted.
कितना परसेंटेज सर
7%.
GST TDS कितना
7 GST TDS 2% है सर. In case of income tax तो IGST होगा तो 2% और CGST is 1% का और 5% income tax TDS. और अगर सर उसका PAN नहीं है operational तो it will go in 20% of income tax TDS act.
Okay. IT TDS will be 20% then, है ना?
PAN is not there.
PAN is not there. Yeah.
10% provision is also there, sir. 10% provision is also there in case he is not filing the return, income tax return. Okay, that is also there.
Now we'll process the second advance entry. Let Raksha ma'am confirm whether she has posted the second entry.
Hi, sir.
Yes. So now we can see the second advance entries has also come to ERP end. So we'll post the second advance entry. The second entry document has also created 127. All of us can see it. Haryana team, you can see it now.
Haryana users.
Haryana users,
Yes, sir,
are you
yes,
able
sir.
to see it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, we can proceed now.
Yes, sir.
So in the request report also, if there is any error, so you can see the error report also. If there are advances that are going in any of the error now, so that also you can see. So
You will not find any document now.
since all the advances are paid now, so in the advance request, advance to process. Now, sir is initiating the second advance payment, okay, against 127. This will be performed by the corporate CSC section. This advance was of rupees 700, okay, sir. And we'll deduct the 7%. 49 rupees will be deducted and
651.
651 will be paid.
Right.
That 1% GST TDS and 5% income tax TDS. Okay, sir. So the payment will be made. Now we'll see. Right now, sir will proceed with the third radio button, update advance, but this will also get updated automatically. And we'll see that in the report, we'll see both the advances are now paid. This part will be performed in the current month itself. Suppose we are in the month of June. So advance for 10th June and advance for 20 June will come in this manner, and these two advances will be paid automatically to the partner bank account. These are the noted down items. Against them, we have the payment document items against those advances. Is it clear, sir?
So actual payment done amount will be returned, na? Rahul ji?
No. Sir,
FMS
right now we are showing the
सबमिट दे रहे हैं ना, उसमें एक्चुअल पेड अमाउंट डिडक्शंस वो वाला आप भेजेंगे ना?
Sir, abhi we are not sending it to the outbound. Okay, right now we're just posting out the document numbers and their posting dates in the
जो
outbound.
एडवांस अमाउंट आया था वही अमाउंट दिखा रहे हैं कितना पेड हुआ है सर वो नहीं दिखा है
Abhi we are not showing it that part, sir. We are
No,
just
that is required ना, FMS में दिखाना है ना कितना आया.
sir, process will evolve out. Okay, sir. So right now we are just sending out the document numbers and the posting date. Okay, sir. With time things will get evolved. Okay, things will get improved. Okay, whatever requirements will be there further, that will take care of. Okay.
Okay, that is okay. At least the paid amount, if you can give immediately, that is good.
We'll share that thing, sir. Since the time was very short, no, we need to get it developed in a very soon time. So whatever things right now in the best possible manner are being done, so वो दिखाया गया. So we should proceed now for the monthly invoice, I think, huh?
Okay.
So Raksha ma'am, now the final commission invoice need to be paid at your end, please, huh?
1 minute. Yes, sir. Final record.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, we'll see. See, from here onwards, the AO's work will start. This monthly invoice posting. Right now, we are doing it for the pay by check part also. for our FTTH partner that T code ZFI underscore FTTH is being run today. But from now onwards, for advanced cases, we'll be choosing this menu. This fourth option we'll be choosing. This part you have to perform at your end. So please see it properly, and any doubt we can ask. So monthly invoice posting will be selecting, will be executing this menu. So please proceed.
Actually, I have already mentioned Haryana circles. I have already mentioned that this process of invoice posting will work only for those cases where the advance has been paid. Fortnightly advance, we are paying 2 times, na? That I already shown you. Two times we have created the advance document, then we have paid it. Now the invoice part is there. So for those invoices against which advances has been paid, that will be processed here only. And in case there is no advance, the monthly invoices are submitted to you. Haryana circles, I'm telling you, you people, then that is to be posted through the existing process. That is ZFI underscore FTTH.
Right. Okay, sir.
Clear, na?
Only one advance payment if it is there on a 25th only. Also, you will process
So
here.
that advances, if there, this process is basically meant for advances only. So if one advance is also there, then we'll take care of. But if the advances are not there, then that will be handled through the existing process.
But sir,
My
एक चीज
question
बताइए,
is,
अब excuse me, सर एक चीज बताइए, अब जो है वो सारे एडवांसेस के थ्रू ही होगा पेमेंट?
Pardon, sir, your voice is not clear. Please, can you please repeat?
अब June onwards, all the payments will be done to the advances, ना?
सर जिन वेंडर्स के इनवॉइसेस का एडवांस ही नहीं है, सपोज कस्टमर्स के कलेक्शंस ही नहीं है या कोई एडवांस कमीशन बन ही नहीं रहा है, कई ऐसे केसेस भी तो होंगे ना सर.
वो कैसे पता चलेगा हमें सर?
सर दैट यू कैन सी एट द एफएमएस एंड सर. आपको एडवांस समरी रिपोर्ट और अभी दिखाया था ना फ्रंट पे,
ठीक
है ना? एडवांस समरी रिपोर्ट भी दिखाई है, कमीशन समरी रिपोर्ट भी दिखाई है, जो भी इनवॉइस होंगे मंथली, एंड यू कैन सी द बिल डिटेल्स अगेंस्ट द एडवांसेस आल्सो. आप वहां देख पाएंगे, है ना सर? आप जब सर थोड़ा सा प्रोसेस में सिंक होंगे तो आपको सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएंगी, थोड़ा सा, है ना? अभी थोड़ा न्यू है तो अभी धीरे धीरे यू विल गेट इंडल्ज.
ओके
हाँ, सो नाउ द मंथली इनवॉइस पोस्टिंग.
सर ये मंथली इनवॉइस,
सर योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर सर.
सर ये मंथली इनवॉइस किस डेट को प्रोसेस करना है?
सर नेक्स्ट मंथ जो होगा, करंट मंथ के नेक्स्ट मंथ में एफएमएस विल जनरेट ऑन जनरली 10th, यूजुअली ऑन 10th और 12th. जैसे ही जनरेट, हाँ जैसे ही जनरेट होगा, यू कैन इमीडिएटली प्रोसेस एट योर एंड.
ओके सर.
So you can see the one invoice entry has also come for 1701 business area invoice date. See, one commission invoice entry has also come to ERP. The total invoice amount you can see it is of 1100 rupees. So we have paid 200 and 700. 900 amount is paid, and the balance amount that would be there, that would be paid now after adjusting of those advances with the commission liabilities. Okay. So in the right now you are doing it for the FTTH commissions invoices is also similar screen and similar process is there here also. You have to click on the check tax codes. So you need to check proper tax codes are there or not. If there would be mismatch, the error will come. The income tax code, withholding tax code, and GST tax codes. All these things will be shown to you on the screen when you will click the check tax code. And if there would be any error, if any of the as per the vendor classification, you will see what tax codes are applicable. GST tax codes and withholding tax code, that will be also communicated to you through FAQ. पूरा clear आपको कर दिया जाएगा. If any of the tax code will be missing, or if any of the combination of GST tax codes and income tax codes is not appropriate, error will come in this message. Okay, sir. So right now you're doing it for the ZFI FTTH part also. The similar screen is there only. Okay. So नया ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा जो कोई आपको लगे कि change आया है. Error is there, then you need to update the vendor master with the appropriate tax code. Right now we can see there is no error. Appropriate tax code, withholding tax codes are there. So now we can proceed with the posting part. So you will press this post document button after checking the text codes, and the document is posted now. See, you can see this green button, and this document is posted successfully, and document number has also come in the message. Okay. Now we'll see the report. Back menu. You can see two advances are there of 207 rupees, and one final commission invoice of 1100 rupees is there. And against this, the liability is created in the system with 19 followed by 82. Is it clear? AOs from Haryana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is very much similar to the process that is being followed right now for the commission invoices. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
और ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट पोस्ट हुआ है, इस डॉक्यूमेंट में आपका वर्कफ्लो चलेगा, इसमें पेमेंट ब्लॉक आर रहेगा, और ये डॉक्यूमेंट को आपको नेक्स्ट आपका हायर ऑफिसर को या जीएम है जो बीए हेड है उनके पास भेजना पड़ेगा और अप्रूवल. ओके सर, जो आपका डाउट है कि एडवांस में क्यों वर्कफ्लो, ये जो एडवांस डॉक्यूमेंट पोस्ट हुआ था इसमें कोई वर्कफ्लो नहीं था, बट ये जो एबीसीएसटी का डॉक्यूमेंट अभी जो इनवॉइस पोस्टिंग हुआ इसमें आपका आरबक लगेगा, और ये आप जब नेक्स्ट आप आपका हायर ऑफिसर को भेजेंगे तो उसमें आपका जब वो अप्रूवल करेंगे तब ये इसमें आरबक हटेगा, और फिर आपको ये इनवॉइस को एडवांस के साथ एडजस्टमेंट करके बैलेंस पे आउट करेंगे. जैसे इस केस में 200, 700, 900 पेमेंट हो चुका है एडवांस के तौर पे, और ये अभी इनवॉइस जो आया है ये 1100 का है, तो दोनों का जो एडजस्टमेंट प्रोसेस वो भी हम दिखाएंगे अभी. ठीक है. ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट पोस्ट हुआ है, ये डॉक्यूमेंट देखिए पेमेंट ब्लॉक आर लगा हुआ है, ये जो वेंडर लाइन है इसमें पेमेंट ब्लॉक आर लगा हुआ है, मतलब अभी ये पेमेंट नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो ब्लॉक पर पेमेंट है, तो आपको इसको नेक्स्ट जैसे वर्कफ्लो में आज के डेट में जैसे कर रहे हैं वो वैसे ही उसको वर्कफ्लो में अप्रूवल लेंगे, और जैसे ये अप्रूव हो जाएगा तो ये आर ब्लॉक हट जाएगा आपका.
जीएसटी पार्ट आ गया.
और अभी देखिए जो राजेंद्र सर जो बता रहे थे आप जीएसटी इनपुट जो है, देखिए ये 9%, 9% यहाँ पे आ गया अभी.
Okay. Okay.
और
Okay.
ये इनवॉइस के ऊपर फिर टीडीएस वगैरह कटेगा, जो जीएसटी 1%, टीडीएस जीएसटी और इनकम टैक्स का 5%, बट ये एडजस्ट हो जाएगा एडवांस के साथ जब हम क्लियरिंग करेंगे. ठीक है सर, वो प्रोसेस अभी हम दिखाएंगे.
एक्सक्यूज मी.
हाँ बताइए.
हेलो.
हाँ बताइए सर.
सर डॉक्यूमेंट अप्रूव होने के बाद इसका असाइनमेंट कोड भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा या ऑटो रहेगा?
सर आपको कोई असाइनमेंट कोड नहीं चेंज करना है इस वाले.
सर इसमें पूरा एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोसेस ही चलेगा, जैसे आप असाइनमेंट कोड चेंज करते थे ना वैसे ही करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमने खाली एडवांस प्रोसेस को फास्ट करने के लिए इसमें असाइनमेंट कोड ऑटोमेटिक कर रहे हैं, बट ये जो प्रोसेस आपका बिल इनवॉइस का पोस्टिंग, उसका अप्रूवल, उसमें असाइनमेंट कोड अपडेट करना, ये सब चीज आपको जैसे पहले करते थे वैसे ही करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है.
Now this payment block will be removed by the system. If you at your end, it will be initiated through workflow and it will be removed through workflow only. Now you can see the payment block is removed by Sanatan sir. Okay.
Through approval, we have
This is
removed it.
through approval we have to do it. Okay.
The next step is
Now we'll perform the clearing part. The advances will be settled off with this commission invoice. This is the fifth menu in the radio button, clearing. These two, create advance request and update advance or invoice payment documents, these two will not be highlighted for you. They will be performed automatically. For just showing the demonstration to update it manually, we have kept it here. In the future, when you will see at your end, these two will not be highlighted, or they will not be even visible to you. And the fourth part that we have done, this will you have to perform, and then finally you have to perform the clearing. The advances will be set off with the commission invoice, that is the liability that has been posted against the portals or vendor.
now we're proceeding for this.
So you can see we need to put the business area code and the vendor code. So this is quite important. You will see it against the vendor code and against the advance invoice date. You will see this way the screen will come to you. Whatever advances are being paid and against the whatever advances and against the invoice, whatever document has been generated is completely shown to you. And one green light indicator is being shown to you. So it means this green light indicates that advances are cleared against the, and you can see here in the last column, clearing ID will be there against those. Okay, sir. So these are the two advances that are already paid, and against that invoice is generated invoice line item, and the clearing has already been done for this. And second one is also done, and the third part, this one is not paid. So you can see two advances paid are there, and this one commission invoice is generated here and it is not cleared. The clearing ID is coming blank and the indicator is showing that red. It is not processed, it is not cleared.
What you have to do?
And one more important thing you need to understand, if any of the advance is not paid, you need to understand one validation is there. If any of the advance is not paid, this clearing will not be performed. I am repeating, if any of the advance is not paid by the CSC, or this clearing will not be performed. Are you getting my point, sir? Hello, AO from Rewari.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for
Yes,
these,
sir.
these two advances must be paid in the system. Then only this clearing will be performed. So now you have to click on this red button. Screen, it will ask that you want to run the clearing. Yes, you'll click on the yes. And now see, so many open items are there against the vendor code. So many open items are there. And you have to select the ones that are advance against the advances. And suppose you choose the wrong one, the system will give you the error. Okay. It will not proceed with the clearing. If you choose this one and if you try to proceed, it will give the error. So right now, two advances, 69 and 70 paid documents of 200 and 700. I will choose. If you want to see error, I can show that part also. You want to see, please? Hello.
Yes, yes.
I need a
Yes, sir.
suppose I choose one advanced document and I choose the wrong one advanced noted down item, separate noted down retention item, and I'll save it. The system will give me the error like this, that wrong advanced doc selected with respect to the invoice. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, against this invoice, I'll choose only one advance. Two advances are there. I need to choose both the advances. If I'll choose only one advance and try to post it, system will again give me error that advance docs are not as per the invoice. Both the advances must be chosen. If there is only one advance, then system will move on, but both the advances must be chosen. Okay, sir. So now I'll proceed with the appropriate functioning. I'll choose these two documents that are being posted for advance payment. And now I'll save it. The system will proceed further. See, now it is posted and clearing indicator is also shown and clearing document is also there. I think it's quite easier for you. Just menu option is there. You need to perform the monthly posting and you need to perform the clearing part. These two parts are at your end only. Okay. And now for the remaining amount, payment will be made.
हरियाणा सर्कल कुछ डाउट्स है बताइए। हरियाणा सर्कल यूजर देखिए आपको ये काम करना है।
सर
हेलो
सर, एक डाउट ये है, जैसे मैंने इनवॉइस पोस्ट करा तो ओवर द नाइट ऑटोमेटिकली जीएसटी विल बी रिटेन्ड, जो सेम प्रोसेस पहले।
हाँ हाँ सर, वो जो जैसे इनवॉइस पोस्टिंग हुआ ना आपका, जो अभी डॉक्यूमेंट दिख रहा है आपको 1982, ये आपका इनवॉइस पोस्टिंग है। इसमें जो जीएसटी रिटर्न होगा, ऑटोमेटिक रिटेंशन जो जो हमारा टैक्सेशन सेल में होता है, जैसे इसका जीएसटी इनवॉइस नंबर पोर्टल में जीएसटी 2 में मैच नहीं किया, तो वो जीएसटी पोर्शन क्या होता है, जो आईटीसी हमने नहीं अवेल करते हैं ना, तो 18% वो ऑटोमेटिक जीएसटी रिटर्न हो जाएगा।
ओवर द नाइट जो 18% रिटेन हो गए, उसका फिर एक आरटी डॉक्यूमेंट बन जाएगा।
यस यस, वो आरटी डॉक्यूमेंट बनेगा, जिस फिर नेक्स्ट डे या कभी भी उसको जब वो मैच हो जाता है तो उसका केवाई डॉक्यूमेंट बनेगा। केवाई डॉक्यूमेंट बन के उसका अलग सा पेमेंट होगा फिर आपका कॉर्पोरेट सीएससी
नहीं,
से।
वो तो वो होगा असाइनमेंट कोड हमें जैसे पहले चेंज करते थे, दोनों का चेंज होगा। अब मेरा ये था कि जब 19 वाला डॉक्यूमेंट बनेगा, इसका पेबल अमाउंट कितना होगा?
हाँ
ये
बताता
दोनों
हूँ,
का
अभी अभी वही दिखाता हूँ आपको। जैसे मान लीजिए इसमें था कितना 1100 था ना, ये डॉक्यूमेंट जो 1982 दिखाया था आपको मैंने, देखिए ये खोला है हमने यहाँ पे, उसका कितना पेबल बन रहा है यहाँ पे 1100, उसके ऊपर टैक्स लग गया और उसने फिर हमने जीएसटी वगैरह काट लिया, तो इसका कितना आ रहा है 1221 आ रहा है। ठीक है सर,
ओके 121
1221 आ रहा है ना,
122 आ रहा है।
ये पेबल है। इसमें से हमने क्या किया, अभी वो एडवांस अमाउंट माइनस कर देंगे, क्योंकि एडवांस दे चुके हैं हमने। कितना दिया था एडवांस बताइए, एक बार दिया था हमने
200
नहीं 200 नहीं दिया था, 200 नहीं दिया था,
माइनस कर देंगे, माइनस 7%।
हाँ नहीं 200 से हमने 186 दिया था और एक दिया था 700 से 651, तो दोनों को जोड़ दीजिए कितना हो रहा है, वो उतना इसमें से माइनस कर दीजिए।
ये सर ऑटोमेटिकली होगा या
होगा ऑटोमेटिक होगा, दिखाता हूँ ना वही चीज। अभी मैं तो मैनुअली कैलकुलेशन बताया आपको, वो अभी इसको क्या करेंगे ना, पेमेंट के लिए अभी प्रोसीड करेंगे। ठीक है, इस डॉक्यूमेंट को अभी पेमेंट करेंगे, अभी कॉर्पोरेट से पेमेंट करने जाएगा। ठीक है, मैं अभी पेमेंट दिखाता हूँ आपको कैसे पेमेंट जाता है, वो कैसे दोनों को माइनस करके अमाउंट दिखाता है। वो तो देखो, वो लोग जो पेमेंट करते हैं उसमें जो रिटेंशन डॉक्यूमेंट और आपका जो एडवांस डॉक्यूमेंट सारा वो सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिक उठा लेगा।
कौन है? क्या करूँगा इसमें?
इस पे यहाँ पे आपके साइन होंगे, पेमेंट डिटेल्स आपके साइन
फाइल हुई नहीं है अभी, इसी में तो जाएगा
ये इसमें नहीं,
तो
पहले इसमें ये तो फाइल अलग है,
हाँ,
ये तो फिर नॉमिनेशन के फाइल है।
सर्विस बुक में है जो होना चाहिए था।
सर एक बार देख लीजिए हरियाणा सर्कल, एक बार एंटर कर दो। देखिए सिस्टम में अभी कितना कैलकुलेशन किया देखिए, 384 अमाउंट कैसे आया वो दिखाता हूँ आपको मैंने। ये क्या क्या 1221 और देखिए 186 माइनस कर दिया और ये 651 माइनस कर दिया, तो तीनों को सिस्टम माइनस करके ऑटोमेटिक यहाँ पे दिखा दिया आपको कितना आ रहा है देखिए 384 अभी पेमेंट होने जा रहा है। अगर इसमें सर यहाँ तक डाउट है कुछ? हेलो,
नो सर।
ठीक है। अभी आपका क्वेरी था, ये तो 384 आ गया क्योंकि हमने एडवांस दे चुके हैं ऑलरेडी उसको। कोई कुछ बोल रहा है? हेलो, कुछ क्वेरी है सर किसी का? हेलो, तो ये जो पेमेंट सर जा रहा है 384, अगर इसमें से अगर जीएसटी रिटर्न हुआ,
Someone is there on the unmute. Please mute all of you.
हेलो, जैसे इसमें से सपोज हमने कुछ जीएसटी रिटर्न किया तो ये 384 से, जैसे हमने जो बता रहे थे टैक्सेशन सेल ने आपके यहाँ पे 11 कितना था यहाँ पे 99 रुपीज और 99 रुपीज, ये अगर रिटर्न हो जाता है तो आपका यहाँ पे पेमेंट और लेस हो जाएगा। 384 माइनस वो जो 99 जो आपका जीएसटी है वो पोर्शन यहाँ पे माइनस होके जो नेट पेमेंट उसको जाएगा। ये ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम उनका जो कॉर्पोरेट से जो पेमेंट होता है तो वो टेक केयर हो जाता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं उसमें। कुछ डाउट है सर? हेलो,
नहीं सर, नहीं सर।
बस ठीक है, बस ये अभी क्या होगा ना, ये 384 रुपीज हमने नेक्स्ट उसको पेमेंट कर देंगे अभी।
तो सर वो जब उसके वेंडर में देखेंगे तो उसमें जेडपी डॉक्यूमेंट 3 बनेंगे, एक तो 2 एडवांस वालों का और
एग्जैक्टली ये
एक
जो पेमेंट
इसका।
होगा अभी, इसका जो पेमेंट है एग्जैक्टली ये अभी इसका वेंडर डॉक्यूमेंट अवेल वन में उसका 3 दिखेंगे जेडपी डॉक्यूमेंट, 2 एडवांस के और इसका जो पेमेंट अभी 384 होने वाला है। अगर इसमें से
राइट।
कुछ रिटेंशन है तो और माइनस हो जाएगा। ठीक है
हाँ
सर?
वो तो हो जाएगा, ठीक है, प्लस
यस,
माइनस। हाँ
तो
ओके।
अभी अभी हम पेमेंट रन कर देते हैं इसका। तो इसका सर देखिए पेमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट बन गया है और जो पेमेंट हुआ इस डॉक्यूमेंट में अपडेट हो जाता है कहाँ पे सर, आपका ये क्लियरिंग है ना, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। इसको रिफ्रेश कर देता हूँ, देखिए यहाँ पे आ गया पेमेंट हो गया 71 डॉक्यूमेंट में, क्लियर डॉक्यूमेंट आ गया। अगर हम ये डॉक्यूमेंट को देखें कितना पेमेंट हुआ, ये देख लीजिए कितना एडजस्ट करके, जो बैंक में देखिए कितना गया, जो बैंक अकाउंट देखिए ना बैंक लाइन आइटम है, ये बैंक लाइन आइटम में देखिए 384 पेमेंट गया उसको। ठीक है,
ओके।
अभी हम देखेंगे रिपोर्ट जो आप देख रहे थे ना, जो मेन स्क्रीन जहाँ पे आप रिपोर्ट चलाते थे, यहाँ पे अभी इसमें बैक जाइए, आपका तो मेन स्क्रीन यही है। ये आप इसको एक बार इसको ये अपडेट ये मानो ये ऑटोमेटिक चलेगा आपका, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है आपको। और यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले रिपोर्ट जो है ये आपको बार बार देखेंगे तो स्टाटस सभी अकाउंट का डिटेल आपको, मतलब कौन सा एडवांस आया था आपका बिजनेस एरिया का, वो आपको ऑलवेज दिखता रहेगा। से डेट नहीं डाला था मैंने, और चला ना।
ठीक है चल रहा है।
देखिए आपका 2 एडवांस आ गया और उसका इनवॉइस भी आ गया, और देखिए ये क्लियरिंग हुआ और ये पेमेंट हो गया। डॉक्यूमेंट सब डिटेल्स आपका पूरा हिस्ट्री इसका यहीं पे आपको डिस्प्ले रिपोर्ट में दिख जाएगा। ठीक है सर?
ठीक है सर।
ये पूरा कंप्लीट प्रोसेस है और पूरा फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक पूरा उसका फाइनल पेमेंट तक।
सर एक चीज और पूछ रहा था, जैसे एसएलए रिकवरी, एसएलए चार्ज और इंफ्रा चार्ज के लिए एफएम नोडल के पास एक हाईलाइट होता है ऑप्शन,
हेलो,
जो एसएलए रिकवरी, एसएलए चार्जेस और इंफ्रा चार्जेस का एक ऑप्शन हाईलाइट होता है
कहाँ पे?
एफएम के पास होता है। अगर किसी का इंफ्रा चार्जेस हमें लेना होगा तो वो वहां पे उसमें डाल सकता है, अपडेट कर सकता है।
Sir, FMS team can better tell about that. Okay.
ओके सर।
Regarding that, you can ask the FMS team. So this
The-
way,
No, infra charges they are collected only. We did not send to any system. It has to be recovered in ERP only. Any infra charges other than invoice, whatever charges are there, It is not handled at FMS. It is collected and shown it to you. Other than this, nothing to do with this in FMS.
So this way, all the advances entries will come for the Haryana circle and they'll be paid automatically in the system. And for the commission invoice part, when the commission invoice will come in the month of July, the AO users of the Haryana circle will post the monthly commission invoice and they will approve the workflow to make the payment and update the assignment code. And finally, the clearing part they have to run. These two parts they have to perform at their end. And final balance payment will be performed by the corporate CSC only as per the assignment code assigned. So complete payment will be there. So this way partners will get the maximum amount in the advance itself. And there is no wallet in between in this scenario. So
Hello. Sir,